Hello everyone, if you don't know me, my name is Gilberto. I'm a software engineer and I love to share what I'm learning at the moment. And right now, I'm reviewing the data structures and algorithms. So, I want to share with you about it. Specifically, I want to share with you about array. So, let's go. I will share with you my Notion annotations. I really like this app. So, like I said, I'm learning about arrays. So I will enter here and here. First, don't know what is an array. An array is one one type of data structure that helps you save your your data, your information. And what is data structures? What is it exactly? I will get back here. The structure, the collection of data, and the methods you related. So you have several ways to save your data, put them together, and it will impact the way that you retrieve your data, the way that you search some information like that. This is a definition that I like of data structures. Let's get back into array. So the way that array saves your data is here. You have let's think something like a box, a bunch of boxes. So that's each box here, some each box here, and here I can, for example, put my name, my last name, a name of my girlfriend in another, and for each value that I saved here, I will have an index to access it. So my name will be the index 0, next value in the index 1, and so on. Uh, it's important to say that the index is from 0 to 4, but like you how you can see here, the size of array is 5. Crucial when we are dealing with the type of data structure. So 1, 2, 4, 5, size 5, but my index will from 0 to 4. Okay, so I have other data structures. What are the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages of this type of structure? Here I have a result about it. I have speaked about the big notation, so if you don't know yet, watch my last video. A big one is a very fast operation, type of operation that you can have, because it means that no matter how, no matter the size of the input you are putting to your method, you run with the same number of steps. Understand it? So you can do to push for a push method that when you add in an element at the final of the array, but notice that array have a limit. Depends on language. I'm saying that push my element at the final of the array. So if haven't any element here, my push will add an element on index 0, and my next push method, when called, push first a second index, that is index 1, okay, and so on. It has a O of 1 very fast. The same things occur for a method pop with to delete data, to remove it from the array at the final of the list of the array. So I call pop and I have submit in here. I will remove this, and if I call the method again, I remove of the element of the index 3 and so on, 2, 1, 0. Get it? Very, very simple. And we have a lookup method that is retrieve the data you can manipulate it in other, I don't know what you want. Uh, it's also a O of 1, so it is the advantages. So when you are writing your application, you can think about, oh, I will need to add and move elements frequently. Yes. And if they will not so bigger, because if I add an element, um, let's make a scenario that my array is full, this array with a size of 5. I need the index 5, a size of 6, when it's not good, because I will need to create other array, and then my big O of n, it's not bad, not good. Okay, not good. So when you have it all quantity of data and you are adding a data frequently, it's not a problem for an a push and the pop method. How I said, a insertion is an advantage of the array. Uh, it means that you iterate of each element is what the big O of n, and it will be the same behavior if you wanna add an element in the middle of the array. So the advantages for the array: searching some element, splice it, and delete someone or insert. You also have a difference between dynamic and static arrays. I said earlier here, you can have an element with the size is fixed, or an array that the size is dynamic. Case maybe the when I pass limits. Okay, so I will have it in one example here. Let me get my code, show you how I will share with you. It's my class of test saver. My object here, my goal here, it is to rotate an array. As I said, array has a fixed size, and here I'm creating an array if the value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we have uh, a size as well as 7, and the index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it's the index. I need to rotate. What this means, I will pass a key for one method, and in this case, my key, the value of my key is 3, and then I will get the last 3 items and put them at the beginning, like here in the expected array, set that the numbers 5, 6, and 7 are in the beginning, but the other numbers are on the final. Okay, and so it is working. I can execute it, and I see that working well. I have the same example here, but with other numbers working. And let's see how I did and how it's related to, yeah, okay, see, code, yeah. Here I will open my rotate array. As you can see, my solution have a big O of n because I need to iterate the array. Okay, I have get here the length of its size, and I will a loop of the array to get its element of it. So to my task here. Uh, Here I'm setting the size of the new array that will be the response. And as I said, to get an index, to get a value as a big O of 1, like here, see that inside of my loop, I only need to pass the index, that I know what are the address of the value that I wanna. And because of this, it has a big O of 1. Understand it? I know the address, so I I I goes directly the value. Um, so it's what I wanna show to you. I hope that you understand what I'm saying, and if you have some doubts, please let me know. Chat, comments, and I will be pleasure to answer you. See you in my next video. Bye.